Hi everyone, here we are with the black Squires and the Revolver Shirt. I sometimes refer to this as the Macca shirt because it's based on one Paul McCartney wore. Just go straight to the black Squires. Black Squires, beautiful shoe. As you can see, it's a buckle loafer. If I go really close, you can see the lovely beef roll on that at the front. It's a lovely slender shoe and it's got a real ivy kind of Italian Mediterranean feel about it. Beautiful shoe. Every person that has a pair loves them, absolutely adores them. I think it teams up really nice with this. This is the Revolver Beatles inspired shirt that we've done. It's a jackpot shirt, i.e. it's got the buttons, it's got the back pleat, it's got all the usual sort of kind of things that you'd expect. I don't know if you can see that, let's do that. Now, I think this outfit, if you was to put it with some black trousers, I think that's got a mega outfit. That's a real nice outfit to wear of an evening. It's not formal, but it's not casual by far. It's borderline, you know, it's a good event type outfit to wear. So that's the black Squires and that's the Revolver shirt and they're available now.